Hi everyone, welcome to MLP Talks. Yeah,
Yeah, thank you.
yeah, and okay. Uh, First, we'll talk about Aajkal, okay, and the
Yeah,
recent film that released in June. Yeah,
yeah.
yeah. In that, do anybody told you that this film is looking like a Charlie Chaplin film? Yeah, in a particular scene, there used to be you and another guy used to fight with a stick. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, do anybody told you that this is more like a Charlie Chaplin thing? Yeah.
sorry.
Do anybody can made a comparison
Comment.
about comparison
Okay.
about that this film is looking like some of this Charlie Chaplin.
Charlie. No,
Yeah, yeah.
nobody has made that. It was not like a
Okay,
Charlie Chaplin thing that even I
okay,
didn't make it like a Charlie Chaplin film.
okay,
I made it like a Tom and Jerry thing only. I wanted
okay,
that
okay.
fight
Yeah,
because see, Tom and Jerry is something that people used to like when they were small, and
yeah,
I thought, you know, see that story is about a 12th grader during this lockdown. So like it's like taking them to that their childhood thing.
oh
So
yeah,
that is why I have that BGM,
oh
and
yeah,
I thought it'll look like Tom and Jerry thing, so that they can somewhere relate.
okay,
People who watched Ajkal told that they could relate with the present thing. That is
yeah,
actually
yeah,
what I tried to show in that film. It's
okay,
about the present, life situation of a student during
okay,
online class.
yeah,
Yeah, it's all.
yeah, and tell about the writing process of Aajkal. When did you get the idea? Yeah,
Ajkal's main idea was, it has to be a. See, I don't basically work with the story in mind. Okay, select the genre first,
okay,
genre or genre or whatever people call
okay,
it. I
okay,
call it genre.
yeah,
So that is what
okay,
I select first. See, I was like I have to do something like something with multiple shots and something. So
yeah,
I didn't have a film to uh, check on and do. See, if you see, Nick is actually it's a fantasy film. I like fantasy films, so there are many fantasy films that I watch.
okay,
Okay, or Chinnasamy. It's a action film.
yeah,
I have watched. It's not that I'm copying, but I'll have something in mind. But
yeah,
this
yeah,
was something that I randomly thought of. It should be musical and it should have multiple shots and something like that. It should be like a visual treat,
okay.
you know. And so then I made up a story. So I was like, why not, dealing up with this thing, what is happening now?
So, how,
Ajkal. So
yeah,
I
so how many days for you to complete this story?
story. I completed it around in 5 to 6 days. I completed the story. I mean the screenplay.
Yeah, yeah,
I was fine except for the climax.
okay,
Climax. I mean the tail end. We
yeah,
changed a bit because we didn't get
okay,
a person to act. So I had to use that
okay,
VFX that 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 girl and that
yeah,
romancing part. I had to use VFX. So I was like, before that only we'll cut it off. That was the initial idea,
okay,
where he gets to know that he is tested positive,
okay,
and there's that girl telling in the background, right? That
yeah, yeah,
आजकल किसी को भी कुछ भी हो सकता है, so be careful,
yeah,
that thing. So then I didn't want it to end like that, because
okay,
that is like, it's like something is happening to a hero, not a
okay,
hero actually. The film
the
itself is a
character,
funny film.
yeah,
So but some people would take it as a negative thing. So
okay,
what I thought was, I'll just add a little bit of voiceover and take this story to another thing. You know,
okay,
ultimately the film is love Aajkal. I should at least show one girl. So
yeah,
at last we uh, tried something and I ended up like that. So it's like a love story that is, um, finally the hero and heroine is connecting, but somewhere we confuse the audience also. That's all love Aajkal.
okay, okay. So you have become the music composer also from this film. Okay, you also become the music composer from
No, no,
film. You have done
no, no, I
music,
didn't
right?
become
Yeah.
music composer and all. I just
Okay.
tried
Okay.
that beat because I had that thing
Okay.
that it's like a robot voice, and it's
Okay.
like only that is the one thing that I did. It's that pyar tang tang tang
Yeah. Yeah.
pyar. That's like a background score. I had
Okay.
that when I was editing. I had that, so I just put it like that. That was not a great job. And
Okay. So and okay, how the music composing session? Okay, when you and the music composer, like what are the inputs that you gave to her, and what are the things that she bring to the table for this film?
yeah, I didn't give any input. I usually don't tell story only to anyone.
Okay.
Even to the actors, I don't tell the story. I just
Yeah,
tell them
yeah,
that
you
this is
told
the
me.
scene and you do. So to her also, I told the same thing. I was like, something, it should be something romantic and it should be some, I mean, the title is Ajkal, so you can put it, put that Ajkal and something and do something. So she made it. It was fabulous. The
So,
songs were
like,
amazing.
so you don't have any alternate versions, or you just have so the, this is the first tune, and you just accepted the first tune and see.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I wanted a little bit of humming in between. So
Okay.
I had asked her and she just uh, made that humming little long and she sent it again. That's all we did. I didn't make too much alterations on it.
Yeah, and the acting. Okay, you have done you have done an amazing job in this film. So, like, what's the process of acting that you have? Do you had any process for this particular film, or like you just did it randomly? Like,
No, no, I have told you before also. No, I
yeah,
don't see myself as like that big actor or something like that. I had
yeah, yeah,
tried something great. I mean,
yeah,
I'm proud of myself for acting in Nick
yeah, yeah, yeah,
because I actually, see in interviews and all, you see actors, they tell a lot of things, right? If
yeah.
I have to tell something like that, it's only for Nick.
Okay,
Ajkal and all, I haven't done anything. I
okay,
just do it normally, like how a normal actor does. I
yeah,
don't have to give a particular characterization and all those things. I don't care about all that. Because no, see, I edit my films, I direct my films, I set the camera for my films.
yeah,
Uh, so I know how the out will be.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Even if the out is not at all good, I can somehow make it good.
The
Somehow make you
editing.
tell that I am a good actor
Oh
in
yeah,
edit or at the
yeah,
set. See,
yeah,
if I am not able to perform something well,
yeah.
I can take a back shot. I
Okay,
don't have to show my face
okay,
because I am directing. I can take a
yeah,
back shot, but that's not the case when someone else is directing.
okay, yeah,
I'm sure.
okay,
Yeah,
and
so it is like that.
yeah, and okay, what is this reception for article? Like, how many do you have got? We got any criticism? Like, do you have got any negative comments for that or not for article?
Negative comments for Ajkal was told by one of my friend. He told that
Okay.
there were many shots and he didn't like it much. And
Oh,
I see. I don't care about others' comments,
okay.
but I feel that about Ajkal, I feel that the Hindi wasn't that proper in it.
Yeah.
I feel the Hindi wasn't proper in Ajkal. And there's a last dialogue where the girl says, "Wo tha me." No, it
Yeah.
shouldn't be "Wo tha me." It should be "Wo thi me."
Okay.
And somebody said that, and I was like, "Oh, correct, no, that."
Oh, okay.
So I feel that Hindi wasn't proper. But I told Ajkal is like a dream project. I
Yeah.
wanted to do something of a new genre, multiple shots and musical. So that is
Yeah.
what I tried. And
Okay.
Ajkal, you can tell that it's like, see, if there is a film that is like Ajkal, it does something in Hindi, Jagga Jasus may be like
Yeah.
Ajkal. There are
Okay.
multiple shots,
Yeah. Yeah.
it is musical. The Jagga Jasus is like Ajkal. I think only Jagga Jasus is the film that is in that format.
Yeah. So, like, okay. By the way, okay. How did you handle the criticisms for all the films, like your previous ventures? Okay. So, how did you handle the criticisms?
I don't actually take any of the reviews seriously. Even if you tell very good, I won't take it. That's
Okay.
because I know what it is. See, I
Okay.
just want to hear that. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
See, once I made the film, I'll be little nervous. See, I'm not that nervous when I make a film.
Okay.
Because I just want to make it and show it to my friends. Of course, I'll ask for the review. That is just to
Yeah.
know
Yeah.
how
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
felt. And I just keep texting everyone that I'm proud of this. Let this
Yeah.
release. I'm sure that this will entertain you and all. But now, now with Kalari, I'm a little confused actually.
Okay. So we'll
Kalari,
discuss about.
because Kalari is like it's a big thing. Okay, we have spent money on it, so
Okay. Okay.
I don't want the money to come back, but
Okay.
I want people to feel that it's a big thing, but
Okay.
I don't know how I pulled it off. So I'm just scared about Kalari. And see, it's a action thriller film. Of course, it will give you a thrill. That I'm
Yeah.
telling you that it will give you a thrill, but I don't know how I pulled off the action because I couldn't find scenes to just like showcase the hero well. Because if you see, once Kalari releases, you will understand it's a big story. It's a very big story. I'm telling you now.
Okay.
It's a very big story that I tried to just slice it, and get it like this on a 10-minute or a
Okay.
15-minute.
Okay.
But if you actually see Kalari, it's a huge story. I can take two movies like Bahubali 1 or 2. I can take that
Okay.
much. I can take.
Okay.
I just shortened it with the dialogues and stuff.
Okay.
It can actually be a season or something, like a series.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So it is that big. You'll understand when you watch it.
Okay.
Kalari is that huge story. And
Okay.
see, that huge story also, I could take I could extend a little bit of time, 20 minutes and take little more bigger, wider. I mean, like somewhere it's relating to, police and also I can
Okay.
actually get the costumes. But see, ultimately this is, something that we are not gaining out of the film. We are not gaining anything out of YouTube. So it's not that I don't want to spend on something that I don't gain, but still, I don't make money. No, it's my dad's money that I spend.
Yeah.
So so Kalari, we have spent little,
Okay.
around 2,000 rupees we have
Okay.
spent.
Okay.
It's not a great amount, but still we
Okay.
have
But for a
spent.
short film, it's
Okay.
a great amount. Yeah.
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 No,
Okay.
for short film also there are
No, no,
short
no.
films
It's
with
like
5 lakh, 6
no,
lakh.
no, no. I'm saying like you like how can I say like you have 150
Yeah,
subscribers.
according
Like,
to my this thing,
yeah, yeah,
it's a huge amount.
yeah, yeah,
So we have spent, and
yeah.
I've tried to get things properly and all, but I don't know how it's going to be.
Okay, we'll discuss about
Let's
it
hope it.
clearly in the next part for sure. Okay, so now,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah. So and now I really want to know about it. Like, why you haven't done films in Kannada? You have done films in Malayalam, Hindi, Telugu, and Tamil. Why you haven't done anything in Kannada?
Kannada films, I think Kannada films are there. There are many films that inspired me in Kannada. I mean, the concept inspired. I
Okay.
really want to watch a film known as Sondu Muttune Kade, which is
Yeah,
directed
yeah,
by
yeah,
Shankar.
yeah.
Yeah, so I really want to watch that, but I couldn't watch. I really, that was the first underwater film shot in India.
Okay.
Okay, everybody talks about all industries except Kannada, but see what
Oh,
Kannada industry is the
yeah.
first industry that shot underwater film. So I think then it has completely went with commercial cinema because Shankar Nagu was died after that. So I don't know, but I want to watch that film. I'll watch it one day soon. But
Yeah, even I have it on my
so
watch
why I
list.
didn't make coming back to your question, why I didn't make Kannada films is that I didn't get any story to make
Okay.
Kannada.
Yeah, but you told
I mean,
that
see,
you'll make
there are
it.
reasons
You
why I
posted
didn't.
about it. Yeah,
But
yeah.
that also we have dropped it out. I'm ready
Okay.
to produce it if somebody else comes. I can
Okay.
release it in delayed productions banner if someone else directs.
Okay.
I had given an offer also,
That's
but
also going to be my
nobody
next
wanted.
question, but you already and answered before.
Yeah, but
I'm going to
nobody
ask,
want to
yeah.
do.
Yeah.
See, there is a reason why I've made films in all these languages. Okay.
Okay.
See, for Nick, I wanted it to be, in most of the times in Hindi cinema, you don't see this double role, triple role.
Yeah, yeah.
There is no much. So I wanted to showcase that. See, if you see in Tamil cinema, all Kamal Sir's films are that. And also
Yeah.
because Kamal Sir is my favorite actor,
Yeah, yeah.
I wanted to, dedicate it to him, and I wanted to do something like that. That is why Nick is in Hindi. And this thing, what is it? Love Letter is in Tamil because, Love Letter is actually inspired from 96.
Okay.
The film 96.
Yeah, yeah.
Because I think you have seen Love Letter, right? You have seen.
Yeah. I've seen
Yeah.
Love
So
Letters.
So I wanted to, do something in Tamil because the film was inspired from 96.
Okay.
It is actually inspired from my life also. I was missing someone who I liked
Okay.
once I came to 11th.
Okay.
So I wanted to do something like that. So that is why that is in Tamil, and Chinnasamy in Telugu because, it's an action thing. And first when you hear action, your mind goes towards Telugu cinema. So I wanted to do it in Telugu. That's all.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you that why you haven't acted in any of this production, or why you haven't directed in any of this production, or why you haven't produced any of this directional ventures. But you have already answered a bit for that question, but I really want it a clear one.
No. I wanted to produce someone else's directional venture. See, there's this fellow known as Vignesh, who acted in many of my films, who does camera things and all that. But he's a good actor. Okay, so I don't find stories for someone else.
Okay.
It is like that. See, as I told you, when I act, I can do all those things. That is when I can get my movie good. So I actually wanted him to do a film. He can anytime, even if he tells something today, he can direct it. I'm ready to produce it and distribute it. But he should come up with one, right? He's an actor. He also does camera a little bit here, and he has done a fabulous job in Kalari. He has shot sequence in Kalari. So and I don't think there are much people interested in direction now. Most of them are into acting and writings and all. And I have to tell this, that writers are there. There are many writers who are coming up. That is one thing that we lack for a long period of time. You don't find good writers in Indian cinema. But there are writers, but they come up with an aim that they have to, direct a film next. First they'll enter as writer, direct, go like that. But I think there are many writers coming.
Yeah. Okay. So and by the way, like and I've seen a post in Instagram that you have posted something like you are dancing for music. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Like do you like yeah. Can you hear me?
Sorry, I didn't get you.
Yeah. Like I've seen a post that you're dancing for a clip, okay? And do you dance well, or like, or do you like dancing? Because you dance really well.
Yeah, I like dancing and all. And if you see in Kalari, you will have an answer for it. There is something in Kalari that is going to surprise God.
Okay.
But again, I don't know how Kalari people are going to take it, but still, I've tried my best in Kalari, but I'm reshooting the climax fight again next week because I wasn't fine with the first thing that we shot last week.
Okay.
That's all. Once that is over, Kalari is done. I'll release it this 30th.
Okay.
I've already announced it, right? Today morning.
Yeah. And like last segment of this interview, like this part, and like your favorite actors and your favorite directors and your favorite movies from like Malayalam, Telugu, Tamil, and Hindi. Like one
Okay,
actor or
okay. Favorite actor first comes Kamal sir, Kamal
yeah.
Hassan.
Okay.
Then comes Rajkumar Rao. Then
Yeah,
comes
yeah.
Mohanlal.
Yeah.
Then Dilip, Jairam.
Yeah.
Then I think I like Rajni sir. I like Ajit sir
Okay.
very much. I don't know why. You know. See, I have not seen a single film of his in theater, but I love him.
Okay.
You know, all his movies I watch in TV and phone
Yeah.
and all, but I have not seen a single thing. But you know, I'm a diehard fan of him. I like
Oh,
Ajit sir very much
okay.
because see, I movies that I can connect to is the films that Kamal sir made or something that
Yeah,
Ajit
yeah.
sir is making, like a Vishwas. You know, I
Okay.
don't like Vedalam and all. I
Okay.
don't, but something like Vishwasam or N.A. Arindal.
Yeah,
You know,
yeah,
N.A.
yeah.
Arindal, he
Fantastic.
told Gautam Vasudev
Yeah.
Menon sir that,
Don't
you
change
know,
the script.
don't commercialize things for
Yeah.
this thing. So I like things like that. See, that is what even Kamal sir did. He got
Yeah.
entertaining films and,
Okay.
you know, he made great cinemas. But there are fools who get worse scripts and tell that, you know, oh, this art cinema, you won't understand bullshit.
Yeah.
That is actually bullshit. Cinema's main purpose is to entertain and engage
Yeah.
people. If it doesn't do that, it's not a cinema.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
and favorite director, if you ask, it's Vidhu Vinod Chopra,
Yeah.
Rajkumar Hirani,
Yeah.
and Ashik Abu, Lal Jos, Kamal sir.
Yeah.
Not Kamal Hassan, okay?
Yeah.
It's
This
Kamal. There's a
Niram
director
who
in
did
Mal.
Niram. Yeah. Malayalam.
No, Neram was done by Alphonse Putran. That's not
Niram,
Kamal.
Niram, Niram. Kunja Kapoor.
Sorry?
Niram. Niram, Niram. Niram, Niram.
Neram.
Yeah.
Neram. Yeah.
Chaco,
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, so, and coming to Tamil, I like Singidam sir. Singidam sir is my favorite director out of everyone. It's Vidhu Vinod Chopra and Singidam Srinivasan, two people who I, you know, really want to become like.
Okay.
Singidam sir, and then K. Balachandar sir, who made Punnagay Manan and all those things. You know, I think Punnagay Manan is a classic film. Like, there is that Chaplain Chellappa and all. I don't think anyone can write a character like that, Chaplain Chellappa. It is so good. You know, so those are all my. And I like Sukumar Garu, who took Arya and in Telugu. And then coming to actors, I had to tell this. I love this person known as Chiranjeevi Garu. He's a Telugu actor. He's a Telugu star, mega star. I really love him. Yeah, that's all.
So, okay. Thank you for coming to Janagri Talks. Yeah.
Thank you.